Okay, all I have to do now is sand off the arch peel once this dries. And then I will spray it with a fine dusting of pearl dust. You can see why I take my time when I'm doing the sanding and everything, because this left no imperfections actually that I can see, because I got all the imperfections out as I was priming and everything. So now it's just a matter of taking out the orange peel, some fine sanding. We'll dust that with pearl dust, see how it looks. If it looks good, then I'll clear coat it and then I'll seal off the cavities.